Hi, my name's Darin Fisher. I work on our mobile apps here at Neeva. Incognito mode is a great feature. I mean, it's been around in the browser for a long time, right? And what does it do? It allows you to use the browser in a way where it won't record the things that you've done locally on the device. So for example, if you borrowed somebody else's phone or borrowed somebody else's computer, you could open an incognito window and then close that incognito window when you're done and know that the things you did would not be left behind on that other person's computer or phone. What it doesn't mean is it doesn't mean that somehow the activity that you do isn't somehow transmitted across the internet. Of course it's transmitted across the internet. And of course anybody who is watching what's going on across the internet could see your activity. And so incognito doesn't mean that you somehow have more privacy on the internet. It just means that your data, what you did, your history of what you were doing is not stored locally on your device once you close that device. Incognito mode is just a tool. What's important also is that even when you're not using incognito mode, that your privacy should be respected, and that's something you can also count on with Neeva. Follow our account for more tips to help protect yourself online.